Thought I'd share this unboxing with you guys. I mean, when something comes wrapped like that, you get excited about it. I mean, what could it be? This particular bike I've been after for some time. Ooh, what could it be? It's aluminium and it's bonded. It'll give you a clue. Let's take it out the box and see what we got. Okay, so I've taken it out the box. Cut off one or two zip ties here to give you an idea. An old Bridgestone. That's what it is. The old Bridgestone Raidak. Bike I've been after, like I said, for quite some time. Particularly because they were raced by the Southern Sun Mnet boys back in the days. So I've been keen to get one and build one up. Similar spec to what that team raced with. Super excited about this one. And this is a photo of that legendary Southern Sun Mnet team which ruled the roost in South African racing in the late 80s, early 90s. From left to right, Andrew McLean, Lawrence Smith, Willie Engelbrecht, and the two legendary Benneker brothers, Gary and Mark. So let's take a closer look at this Bridgestone Raidak. So the Raidaks were designed by the legendary Grant Peterson, who later left Bridgestone and started his own company, Rivendell Bikes. Grant's focus when designing bikes was always on comfort and durability. This one had the benefit of being super lightweight as well. Bridgestone's first foray into aluminium bonded. This particular bike is from 1987. You can see it's still got the cable guys on the top tube. The later models from 89 had internal routing on the top tube for its cable. And they were famous for, or not so famous, infamous rather, for working loose at these bonded joints. So that's alu bonded into an aluminium tube. You can see it has an aluminium fork as well. Obviously a metal crown. They often pick up corrosion around the lugs. This particular one is in good condition. It has corrosion there, but not nearly as bad as some bikes that I've seen. It's running a Shimano 600 tricolor group set, which this particular model never actually came out with. So this was obviously retrofitted, which is obvious by the fact that it's an 8-speed group set running first generation STIs or Brifters. Also a 600 group set, still working flawlessly. Looks really good with that Omega Campy black rims on it, mated on Shimano 600 hubs. Rounds the bike off really nicely. I don't think this was standard either, but it does look good. A Cinelli bar. There's a Cinelli stem as well. This caught my eye, which I thought looked rather beautiful. Giro Italia engraved logo onto it. These mostly came out with Nito bars and stem, if I'm not mistaken, similar to what the Cannondales came out with at the time. Also a non-standard saddle, Vetta SL and seat post, obviously been fitted afterwards. So this particular bike I'm going to do a restoration of, just clean up all those lugs, get it looking as new as what we can get it looking, and that'll be in one of my future videos. So if you want to be notified when that launches, hit that subscribe button, and then when I do the restoration, I'll also share with you why the legendary sprinter Willie Engelbrecht decided not to race on a Raidak, despite their team being sponsored by Southern Sun, Mnet and Bridgestone at the time. Until then, take care.